In the corporate world, navigating notice periods is a common challenge for employees. Harish, the host of Workplace Justice Hub, sheds light on what human resources might not tell you about your notice period, empowering you with the knowledge you need to protect your rights. To begin, a notice period is essentially the duration from when you submit your resignation to your last day at work. Its primary aim is to have a smooth transition and handover of responsibilities, not to act as a deterrent or punishment. There are several myths associated with notice periods that HR might not clarify. The first myth is that companies can enforce the completion of the entire notice period, even if you prefer to buy out the remaining days. In truth, many organizations allow a buyout option, where you can pay an amount equivalent to your notice period salary. Another common misconception is that the notice period is universally the same for all employees. However, the specifics of your notice period depend on your employment contract, the role you're in, and your company's policy, varying between 30 to 90 days. The third myth is that an employer can unilaterally extend your notice period without your consent. That's not true. Any such extension requires your written agreement. Harish also emphasizes what employees can do to ensure fair treatment. Firstly, thoroughly check your offer or appointment letter, as it is the legally binding document outlining your notice period terms, not casual HR emails. If you face a problem, negotiating with your manager could lead to a reduction in your notice period, especially if you've been able to make a comprehensive handover. Offering a buyout option is another possibility, allowing you to pay for the remaining notice period if you need to leave earlier. If you feel you're being forced to serve an unfair notice period, write a formal email quoting your contract terms. If your situation remains unresolved, the last resort is approaching the labor office or raising a complaint if you encounter issues such as withheld salary or delaying your relieving letter. Ultimately, notice periods should facilitate a smooth transition, not serve as a tool for exploitation. Employees should always know their contractual rights and not fall into myths.